Hey, my friends, we're going to talk about the what, the why, the how, and the who of resale rights and why you would want to do this as an income stream for yourself. You're over 50, maybe not, but you're over 50. You've worked the majority of your life for someone else, and now it's your time to build your freedom plan. You actually understand that you may be behind the eight ball if you owe more than you earn. Yeah. You work full time. I already mentioned that. I do too. I'm back in grad school. There's a lot of different things that I'm doing. So I don't want my whole world to be around just working and paying off debt and just working and paying bills and just working to to save up for retirement. There's some things that I want to do. I do want to earn. I do want to learn, but I want it on my terms. Yeah. So that's you. This is for you. So what are resale rights? Resale rights basically says that you can buy a digital product. This is the one that I bought. You can buy a digital product. This is what it looked like originally. But you can buy a digital product and you're given the right to resell it. And there's a license that comes with it, and it tells you what you can and what you cannot do. That's what a resale rights product is. It's also similar to, I'll tell you this, there are some supplements that I'm looking at purchasing, and I'm going to put my own label on them. This company calls that private label rights, okay? And I just imagine, you know how we have all these different waters? I just imagine that the waters probably come from the same place, and everybody's putting their different label on it, right? That's kind of how I look at resale rights. There. So that's what resale rights are. Why? Why would I pick a resale right product? Because it's already created. I already told you all the things that I'm doing, and I'm sure there's a lot of things that you're doing. It's already created. So you don't have to go through the hours and the expertise that's needed to create this product. It's not that you can't do it, it's that you don't want to do it. You want to hit the ground running. Yes, so that's why you would pick a resale rights product, because you can hit the ground running. Now, I got my notes here. How do you do that? How does it actually work? What does it look like? Well, you go, say it's me, someone else, you go and you see a document and it says it comes with resale rights, right? Comes with resale rights. You purchase it, and I'm going to talk just about this one particularly because this is the one I know the most about. You purchase this. You open it up in Canva, and it has step-by-steps. It has 6 steps. Now, for me, I put this together in less than 24 hours. Even if I was brand new, because I'm doing my best to come from a lens of being brand new, I'm starting from scratch, okay? But these steps are so phenomenal that you're going to be able to hit the ground running, okay? But you purchase it, you open it up in Canva, and you follow the steps, and the steps that you're following is you're making this document your own. This is going to be your document now because you are editing it to make it your own, and you have the right to make it your own and resell it. Okay? That's how it works. So you edit it, you download the PDF, and you upload it to your store. In here, they show you how to set up 2 stores, and what I did is I added a training video to show you how to use the store that I'm using, which is Beacons. Okay? So there are 3 training videos in here to show you how to set up your own store. And I will tell you, just as a side note, pretty much all of the e-commerce stores work the same way. Okay? So you look at these videos and you're like, oh, I don't have those. I have PayHip. I do too. PayHip works pretty much the same. All right? All right. Gumroad works pretty much the same. So how does it work? You purchase it. It comes with the resale rights. It tells you what you can and what you cannot do. It'll say something like license agreement. You're allowed to. You're not allowed to. Okay? You tweak it. You download it, you upload it to your store, you hit the ground running. Boom, you're ready. Now, this particular document gives you 30 days of content. So it tells you what kind of image to make, what kind of music to use, what content to put on there, and you're good for 30 days. And hopefully within that 30 days, you get a feel of what more to say, and you can create your own prompts, right? And then there's Chat GPT that can help you as well, right? Okay. That's how it works. It's lovely. So you're not creating anything, you're editing, but the hard work has been done for you. Okay? How did I do it? Now this is what it looks like when I purchased it. I just changed the color. Okay, I changed the color. I pretty much kept everything in here the same because I wanted to get this thing up and running, right? So it looks like this. Then what I did is I went and made it my own cover, same name, all that. I made it my own cover. I like that. I'm learning AI and how to do these different things with these images. And not only is it helping me in digital marketing, but it's also helping me in my career. So it's a win-win. So I changed some colors, right? I put a training video link in here. And in addition to this, I have created some other things that's going to be very helpful, like more social media prompts, more things of that nature, okay? So that's how you do it. Another reason on why, I want to go back to why you would do this. We know it's something that you can hit the ground running doing, but this is an excellent, excellent training system that will show you how to create your own PDF, your own videos, if that's what you want to do. Because like I went back, I don't know your age, but if you're in my age group, I'm well over 50, right? And you've been working, I've been working in this one position 26, going on 27 years. Okay, I've been in this industry as a whole for 30 years. So there's some things that I know. So I know that there are some things that you know. Another reason why you would want to do resell rights, you can use this as an outline for your own product. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so have a, we're gonna have an end game here, right? So that's why, again, and how. Who is this for? I believe I've already answered it. It's for you. You want to enter digital marketing in a simplistic way. You don't want it to be hard. You don't want it to be overwhelming. You want it to fit within your schedule. You want a product out there that's working for you while you're working. You want to hit the ground running, all of that. That's who this is for. Let's dwell in there a little bit more. Back to the why and the who this is for. The bottom line, yes, we can say we want to learn. Yes, we can say we want to have a reason to be online on social media. But the bottom line is this is a way for you to generate extra income. I can't guarantee extra income. I got to have an earnings, affiliate disclaimer that when you click the link in this video description, you're going to go to my store, my Beacon store or my PayHip store. You're going to go to that store and you're going to purchase this. And I'm going to earn $27, right? I can't tell you if it's going to take you 24 hours to set up or 36 because all of that is depending on what you're going to do. I'm just telling you that if you're looking for something that has resale rights, if you're looking for something that has excellent step-by-step instructions, the best I've seen, if you're looking for a low-hanging fruit price point of $27, you can charge more if you want. You can't charge less according to the license. But if you're looking for that sweet spot of $27, okay, this could be something for you. So that's it. I'm very excited. This has definitely rejuvenated me, and I'm going to let you go because we've covered what we needed to cover today. And I am fasting. I haven't eaten in like 16 or 17 hours. So I gotta go get me something to eat that I've already cooked so I can just not completely fall out. Right? Right. So many blessings to you. Click the link in the video description. Go and learn more about this PDF and have a good one. Many blessings.